happy in life, he doesn't want it. Don't let anybody be in power of your happiness. It does not want it. So I'm happy I can make you happy now. So anyway, I actually came to the mechanic to do something in my car, and then the mechanic drove out for something urgent. So trying to wait for him, I decided to do this video. I am saying that the most stupid and crazy thing I have ever seen in life is women emotions. You know, most times when I discuss with some women, sometimes I can't believe that human being is behaving like that. I mean, you are seeing not just a red flag, red flags, many flags, red. You are seeing it, and yet you are excusing a wicked person out there. It is very clear to you. You know, stop pretending about it. We know when things is happening around us that we are not comfortable with. You know, the worst thing, the worst people you can advise is a woman in love. A woman in love. Advising her, you're wasting your time. Because she's not gonna understand. She's not gonna accept it until it happens. Until Oboho and Anya. It is obvious to you that, let me use a man, for example, that this man has left Ogabago since. But either because he's still coming around you, manipulating you, just name Aregianya, Icheno Kaneba, Honorozeba, Ogabago since. Omugori. And you are still there, excusing him. I'll give you an example of what happened recently. There is somebody that has been complaining to me about the relationship she's into. Somebody she cherishes so much. And I was with her. And I know the person very well. I was with her trying to advise her. I don't want you to break up with people that loves you or people you love. But you need to see, because you are complaining to me, I'm telling you the truth. You need to open your eyes. You need to wake up. You need to see. Some people are so wicked that they don't care about your cry. In fact, some men, tears get them angry. Let me tell you, crying for a man makes the man more angry. You think you are drawing sympathy. You think he will sympathize with you. Your tears will make him to love you. You are wasting your time. Your tears harden them the more. Oh God. Sometimes people feel I'm sounding like this because I'm a sister. It's because I have listened to many people in pains. And I know. So, let me tell you. After complaining to me, I told her that this man has left Ogabago. is no longer where you are seeing him. All those promises. I said that story is a past story. She doubted me. I said, call him. She called. Outside their phone, he did not answer. 3 calls, 4 calls, he did not answer. And I decided to call him. 1 ring, he picked the call. 1 ring, because he knows my number. He knows me. He picked it. And he, oh, Mother Mario, long time. You remembered me today. This is somebody who claims to be busy. He happened to have time to gist with Mother Mario. We talked for no less than 10 minutes. But this is somebody that refused to answer his good friend, claiming he's busy. Let me tell you, women, men go where they want to go. Men, no matter the person's title or status, they go where they want to go. Your goodness, your perfection, your money, your beauty, hey, your humility is not what catches them. Cannot catch them. Some women now try to do, will I call it a shower vibe, in order to attract their friend or their husband. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Be wise. Stop bringing high blood pressure to yourself. Stop, some of you lose their job, their good job, because of a man. Because when you're not coordinated, how can you work? When every time you go to bed, you are thinking of a man, and he's there enjoying. He's there in the club enjoying, and you are there dying, crying. Just like a girl who happens to have a fiancé that beats her. This man beats her up whenever, they have a misunderstanding. And he's saying, don't worry. When we marry, he will not beat me again. He will know that it is marriage. He will not beat me again. When you marry, Oge boogie. Okay, that is oge boogie. When I grow, you need to grow. You people need to grow. There are many men out there that God may give you. If you pray, God will give you the right person. Pray. Ask God. People don't pray before they get into a relationship. That's the problem. And sometimes they pray and God is showing them something. They are blind about it. And when I talk about relationship, it could be a fellow man, it could be a fellow woman, it could be the opposite. The Bible said that a true friend is a treasure. It's rare. When you get one, it's a treasure. So it's good to have friends, but you have to know the kind of friends you keep. I fall victims of fake people around me. They come around with all their manipulations. But I thank God for who I am. Ask God to be revealing things to you so that you don't make mistakes. You don't do things that you will regret. and then learn from your past experience. Do not close door to new friends in your life because of your experience from one idiot. Sorry, I call them idiots, and I will. I don't regret calling wicked people idiots. They think they deceive you. They think they're deceiving you. They think they have played on you. They played their game, you know. But guess what? God has a way of returning evil to evil. Returning evil to evil people. God gave you somebody, a good friend. You decided to be a betrayer. Remember, even in marriage, your wife should be your friend, your husband should be your friend. So when I say friend, it could be in marriage, it could be in just normal relationship. God gave you a good partner, a good friend, and you decide to cheat on him or her. You decide to betray him or her. You decide to pretend to love while you don't love. You do all sorts of things. You manipulate the person. God has a way of returning it to you. Many of you lack peace, and they don't know why they lack peace. Many of you have made a good friend, a treasured friend, to curse you privately or secretly, and you don't know what you are passing through. So, we have been called to love. A call to love. Love is a must, but friendship is a choice. You can choose who to befriend. You may choose to be alone. You don't have to have any close friend in life. But you are mandated by God to love everybody. He said, love yourself as I, God, has loved you. Have you not seen classmates planned and by their fellow classmates? Have you not seen it before? Have you not seen a friend that buyed a friend before? Have you not heard of a friend poisoning a friend? Have you not seen friends betraying a fellow friend? The worst pain is loving somebody that does not love you. Valuing somebody that doesn't value you. Spending and wasting your time on somebody who doesn't care about you and your emotions. People have reasons of coming around you. Find out why people come around you. Anybody that comes around you, anybody that wants you to be his or her friend, anybody that, even wants to marry you, find out what is attracting that person to you. Somebody may want to marry you because of your money. Somebody may want to marry you because of your beauty. Somebody may want to marry you because of you're a celebrity, because of one thing or the other. Find out if that thing, ask yourself, if this thing fits, will this love still grow? One thing I know about men is that they don't like any woman that claims her rights. But they will claim their right too. But the woman has no right to claim her rights. They don't want any woman that questions them. They just want their freedom. I know men will not like this teaching I'm teaching now. Some of them, okay, not all men, the good men will like it. But the bad ones, they will comment nonsense here now. They will not like it. But I'm teaching it because I've been counseling a lot of women who call me, more that pray for me. And I'll be like, what is your prayer point? They say, my prayer point is that he break my heart. He no longer answer my call. He can stay 1 day, 2 days, 3 days before he answer my call. My husband is not cheating on me, this and that. That's why I'm teaching this. Women, go and upgrade yourself. Go and become somebody. When you are somebody, when you don't depend on a man, you make your money and be able to even take care of your children, you won't have problem. You'll be crying for a man because something better may be out there. Upgrade yourself. Get a good job. Bambo. Make business. Tinya kana business. Stop depending on a man to do anything for you. When you depend on a man, any man around you will kick you. Will not value you. You need to value yourself so that even when people kick you out, you are still there, you are still standing, you are not falling. Even when people reject you, you are still who you are, you have no regrets. The only regret you have is the time you wasted on useless and wicked person. You would have used it for something else. You will never feel that somebody used you. I don't believe in, you know, sometimes you hear from women, they talk about he used me. What do you mean by using you? Stop that. I don't like hearing women, you know, saying a man used them. Use you for how? Were you blind? You used him too. He used you and you used him. Yes. So, for my brothers, you men, you know, we love you. We female, we love you people. We can't do without you people. But you people should stop being wicked to women. Stop jumping up and down. Limit your hunting protocol or protocols. When I hunting these days, they're too much. Some we say in our culture, you can marry 2, 3, 4 wives. Go and marry the 2, 3, 4 wives now and get back to us. If you want to marry 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 wives, go and marry. Let's see. Poro nwa mmadu gị na-agbawu ya obi. Iche na ihe ga-adịrị gị mma. All your promises, none you are keeping. The only language we hear you talk about, I want peace, I want peace. You are the one that don't want peace. It's not the woman that is keeping you unpeaceful. If you do the right thing, the woman will not be questioning you. Because the moment you hear a man talking about a one piece, I don't want problem, it's because he's already messing up. And the woman is trying to correct him. And he's not listening. All he wants is that freedom. He wants that freedom to misbehave and do anything he wants to do. If you know that thing, that when it's done to you, you will not like it, don't do it to nobody. Don't do it to nobody. The way you treat another woman can affect your own female siblings, vice versa. If you're a woman and you're treating a fellow man, a man bad, your husband, it will come back to you. But a man don't believe in the law of karma, unless you're forgiven. Stop hurting souls. Stop hurting spirits. Whenever I say this, some people may not understand me. I feel for many women out there. A lot of them are broken. I'll continue to say this. Be careful. A lot of people think that they're free. It's all about freedom. Enjoy the freedom today and suffer it tomorrow. You're free to treat a woman, a man the way you want to treat the person, trash him or her. But after that, I watch also, I go on mine. Let me see. It's like my mechanic is back. Okay, take care, treat each other good. Don't start what you will not finish. Don't start something you know you cannot cope up with. Imadu madu nilo rapia banaga. Imadu madu netiti mini rapia banaga kamiri riya. A soul may be there crying to God about you, your treatment to him or her, the person you betrayed, the person you treated bad. And the worst is that sometimes men pretend to be the victim. That the one Saga use sorry. One of my friends, she was like crying, begging this man, sorry. And I'm like, what happened? After telling me, I said, he should tell you sorry, not you telling him sorry. That's the problem. A man will commit and the woman will be the one begging him sorry. That's the problem. That's part of it. They play the victim. Some people will hurt you and play the victim. And you think God is not seeing you. That thing you are complaining she did. What did you do before she did what she did? What did you do before she said what she said? What did you do to her? What was your treatment to this woman? Please share this message. My main purpose of this video is I want to tell many women out there, open your eyes, respect red flags, to avoid heartbreak, to avoid crying, to avoid hurting yourself. Stop excusing red flags in your relationships. Some women, even in marriage, their husband will be beating them, and they continue excusing this woman without reporting, without seeking for help until you are delayed. Act before it is too late. And if you're into a relationship and it's not working, stop excusing the person. The next person may be the right person God is giving you. That does not mean that we won't have misunderstanding. Sometimes some misunderstanding helps in relationship. You learn. You correct yourself. You know that this thing, when you do it, the other person will not be happy. So don't do it. Now he or she has gotten angry. Reconcile. And then move on. But people don't want to reconcile because they are hardened souls, wicked and dark souls. Anyway, I wish you the best in your marriage, in your relationship. And I always pray for God to give everybody somebody that behaves like them, so that you know, if you're a nice person, I let God give you nice person like you. If you're a bad person, let God give you a bad person like you. I'm asking God to give me a friend that behaves like me. Yes, I will love that person. We will be good friends. The person will be a treasure. So, if you're a bad person, God will give you a bad person. You'll be meeting bad people, so that you change and become nice. Become nice. I ask God to bless all relationships and repay those who are already soured, through Christ our Lord. Amen.